kidding me? Oh wait, I think I'm making some.
Put your other foot. And then now go. Oh! Oh, no! Oh, you feel Yeah! Wow.
Just walk!
Time to break down some car fails. First up, we have a pickup truck, a rope, and a satellite dish that just threw itself 99 miles per hour. I mean, sweet Moses, that was a dart. This was Henry Rowan-Gardner in Rookie of the Year tossing an absolute seed. And listen to the reaction of this camera guy. 10 out of 10 sound right here. Oh! If your car ever breaks down, make sure you don't ask a pissed off dude with a forklift for help, because something tells me you're gonna need more than jumper cables at this point. Like, sir, when I asked if you could give me a lift, this is not what I...
That's funny though.
Yo, we shouldn't have left that out there. That's a little feller. He said, I've done this before. These tourists.
No, boy. Next. Got it. Money. Yes. Money. Banana. Banana, you got this one for sure. Superman. Banana.
Saya